We got diesel in the mountains in 3 days, and we have lots of trucks doing last minute work to get to it. Hopefully we'll see Randy's transmissions truck out there. They're just buttoning it up, got a new motor put in there because the last time it ran, it blew up, unfortunately. Got some huge triple turbos on there, but this thing will be pretty sweet if it makes it out there. Should be going for a world record. We got Jim with the diesel BMW here. He's putting a new CP3 on there today.
Yep.
Just his luck though, today on lunch, his harmonic balancer went out on him, but that's fine because he can put a fluid damper on there now.
Good.
As you can tell, he's real stoked. As you can see from my toolbox here, it might be hidden in there. We're doing some nitrous work to it. So, before, the lines were plumbed in right there and right there. So straight from the solenoid to right there. But I want to put it before the intercooler to let it mix a little better, not be as cold and harsh on the motor. So, let me move this out of the way. There's the big 80 millimeter right there, the 6-blade Warrior, just right here. So I moved it from over there to right here. And plus size is, if I ever get another kit, I can, I already have some ports for the jets. I am foreseeing a problem right now that I didn't think about before. One of those lines might be in the way of the intake. So, might have to do one here, one on the other side, but we'll figure it out. Just gonna move the truck into the shop and make my life a little easier. First thing first, I wanna get the bottle hooked up and turned on so I know if this is leaking. Because I don't wanna get the lines put on where it's plugged off and then have to take it all apart again. So, crack the bottle right now and see if it's leaking. All right, I've got the bottle hooked up. I'm gonna crack it open. Open. Close it now. Just need to get pressure in the lines, see if there's a leak up here. See, it'll be coming up this. It's cold, but no leak, which is good news. So now the purge should work. It shoots out right over there. Let's test that. Got me a switch right here to turn the nitrous on. Purge button is right here. She's working. Good to go. Time to put the lines in. So here's the jets, the brass fittings. These will just go right in the top of that, and we just screw these in. So I'll take these out and put them in there. Will you shut the hell up while I'm trying to film, dude?
No.
Jeez. For this event, I'm just gonna run 278 jets. So nothing too spicy.
Did you find another one?
Yeah. They just sit in there like that, and then you put the line over it. So we'll do that right now. All right, the lines are on. Now hopefully this intake fits. We're about to find out, so I'll let you know. Originally, I was gonna run the lines down across this battery cable in this valley and then down, but I decided I wanted to hide them a little better, so have them going up behind the turbo, behind the heat shield, coming out to the solenoid. So gotta clip these zip ties, make it look a little better, but I don't know, looks kind of goofy. Maybe later I'll hide it in this, but for this weekend, it'll work good. Now, I got a new filter, because as you can tell, that one's a little used and abused and just about crushed. So, try and get it in here right now and see how it does. All right, so everything's back together. Got the lines hooked up, got the 270 jets down right there. So now we're just gonna click the button, come back, see if there's any leaks anywhere. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Switch it on, same as before. Now the nitrous button, this right here. So we should hear a click. Yep, definitely shot nitrous in there. It's cold, no leaks there. And doesn't look like any leaks right there. So we're good to go. NITROUS is hooked up. Everybody wants a fancy valve cover until you have to deal with the catch can. I seriously have to drain this thing like every week. If not, I'll be on the highway and it just paints the side of the truck in oil. It's really frustrating. Now that I'm done with my truck, come over here and check on old Jim here, old Diesel Jim. Oh, what did you do?
No idea.
You're not even working.
Nope.